Hello and welcome to Data Analysis. I'm Jeff Leake. I'll be teaching the course. I'm making this video to introduce myself and to tell you a little bit about where we will be going over the next 8 weeks together. First, a little bit about me. I grew up in Pocatello, Idaho, and went to college at Utah State University. Then I moved west and got an MS and PhD in biostatistics at the University of Washington in Seattle. For my dissertation, I worked on statistical methods for removing hidden variables from large-scale and big genomic datasets. While at UW, I also met and married my wife, who's also a statistician. After my PhD, I did 2 brief postdoctoral fellowships, one in stem cell biology and another in computational biology, before landing here in the biostatistics department at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. My current research focuses on analyzing the data produced by the latest genomic technologies, such as microarrays or next-generation sequencers. These data can be used to help understand natural biological variation between human beings, the biochemical progression of disease, or to try to predict clinical outcomes, like how people will respond to treatment. One of the coolest things about genomics is that most of the large datasets being produced are available for free from sites like the Gene Expression Omnibus, ArrayExpress, or the Short Read Archive. But the data are large, noisy, and sensitive to errors, so they require careful data analysis, which keeps me busy. My interest in data and statistics also led me to start a blog called Simply Statistics that focuses on the most pressing issues in data and statistical analysis. So that's a little bit about me. Now on to data analysis. The course will consist of around 2 hours of video lectures per week. My goal is to keep the lectures short so that you can get through them quickly. There will also be a quiz each week, and there will also be 2 longer data analysis projects, which will be peer graded using a data analysis rubric we will go over during the class. These projects will run during weeks 3 to 4 and 6 to 7 during the course. Data analysis lies at the intersection of several disciplines, including statistics, computer science, English composition, and business or scientific applications. There are no formal prerequisites for the course, but throughout the course, all data analyses will be performed in R using the RStudio editor. We will use R in RStudio because 1, it is free, 2, it's the most popular language for data analysis, 3, code is the best way to document and communicate components of a data analysis to other people, and 4, there's a large user community that is available for support outside of the course, along with the support that you will get inside the course. We will start the data analysis course by focusing on the structure of a data analysis problem and how to frame data analysis questions. Then we will cover how to obtain, clean, and process data using R. We will cover the tools of exploratory data analysis, such as data visualization, clustering, and principal components. We will also cover basic methods for statistical inference using linear models, confidence intervals, and basic hypothesis testing. The course will then move on to cover the fundamentals of prediction, including study design, cross-validation, and a few basic prediction models. We will also cover some approaches for simulating data, for modeling, prediction, or evaluating models and predictions. We'll finish up with a discussion of confounding, multiple testing, and knowing when to quit, or at least be suspicious when performing a data analysis. This can be one of the hardest parts of the whole process. While we cover the basics of data analysis, I will try to point out resources for further in-depth study. I'm excited about teaching you the fundamentals to get you started, but it is worth keeping in mind that 8 weeks won't be nearly enough time to become an expert data analyst. Just like 8 weeks isn't enough time to become an expert writer or surgeon. There are no data analysis prodigies. The only way to become a good data analyst is to gain experience through practice, repetition, and learning from mistakes. I hope this class will give you a good start down the road and inspire you to learn about the data you care about most. See you on the message boards.